2 weeks ago I did a video speaking about Hawks. Ngayikhuluma lento le. Nama-fans amaningi eKaizer Chiefs ayithandanga but ngayiyo. Uthi the game nidlala Mamelodi Sundowns. Leya game leya yayidinga umuntu onjengo-Hawks. U-Hawks uyi-defensive midfielder yangempela enza umsebenzi wayo. And abantu abayithandanga lento engangisho. Anenzela umzekelo. Ngathi bukani i-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates inoMakhehleni Makhawula benombazi. Sundowns inoTabego Mokoena benoBathusi Obhasi. Abantu labo baqinile. Masuthi ubheka iKaizer Chiefs ino-Mart ibe noNjabulo Blom ibe noNgcobo. Abantu abajwayele ukudlala lapha ese asiba nozwana. Akekho umuntu oqinile kulesa sisu lesa. Okudala i-team ibe exposed mebedlala nama-team amakhulu esenta. Bedlala nama-team nje akwazi ukumanga impela baba exposed esenta because abanayo umuntu o-strong lapha ozodictator i-match yeKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs their last 3 games bam-introduceile umthetho u-Hawks. Baqale bam-introduce kule game leyo bebedlala kuma-friendly game Legends Cup. Bebedlala I think it was Golden Arrows or Chippa United lapho nje neMamelodi Sundowns. Wadlala kahle umfana. Kwathi izolo kade bedlala neRichards Bay bawina ngo-2-1 and kuleyo game ube-instrumental kakhulu. Into ade yenza benza umsebenzi wakhe as a CDM wenze umsebenzi obalula for uMart. uMart ukwazile ukushayina izolo because bengenawo lo msebenzi lo ajwayele ukwenza. uMart bokenake bekudlala iKaizer Chiefs bekujwayele ukudefenda uMart mase kudlala uZwane badlaliswe eswini bowu2 and lo nto leyo beyenza i-team ibe destabilized esenta. So mebefaka umdlali omaka njengalo mjida lo u-Hawks benza uMart abe free akwazi ukushala ama-long ball nalama crosses wakhe because ulibonile igoli lokuqala likoro uDuba liqhamuke from uMart. It was a beautiful goal. uDuba uyakwazi ukudlala but i-attitude yakhe engathi angayehlisa kancane egroundini because angathola ama-red card noma ama-yellow card, unnecessary yellow cards. Kubalekile ukuthi i-team ibe nesisu esi-right. Yabo hlezi ngiyiprioritize njalo lento le ukuthi i-engine e-right kwi-team ibalekile. Yabo i-team ne-team kumele ibe ne-engine yangempela. Mungenayo i-engine e-right i-team ama-opponent wakhe azoyidalela ukuthi wayesho lento Pep Guardiola ukuthi into ekwinisa i-match it is a good defense and a strong midfield. Once waba nalezo zinto lezo uqedile. Yabo once was strong center or strong futhi emuva uqedile i-match useyiwinile lapho. Uhambile ne-point noma uyawuthola 3 points. Yabo muna ama-attackers are-right. But nizizwa kanjani nge-performance yaSayile izolo? Yabo uSayile usadeserve nje ukuligqoka ijezi leKaizer Chiefs noma kumele ahambe? Ngangitshela lapho kuma-comments.